I am back with a ready to go unit. So in this video, I am going to give you all of the details on this unit. I am going to install this unit. So if you are interested in knowing more about this beautiful unit, then keep watching. Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to SE Lifestyle. I am excited to announce that this video is in collaboration with Yolissa. So let's get into this new unit. Okay, so before I share the unit with you guys, let's look at some of the goodies that Yolissa sent over with the unit. Okay, so first we have an elastic band. We also have two HD wig caps. We also have an edge brush to lay those edges down, one pair of 3D lashes, as well as a personalized silk scarf from Yolissa. Yolissa also included a drawstring bag in order to store your unit. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so let's get into this unit. This is a water wave 5x5 HD undetectable lace closure unit. It is 22 inches. It has 250% density, and this is a cap size small. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is how the lace looks right out of the packaging. As I stated, it's a HD undetectable lace, so that makes it real easy to blend into your skin. It does have an elastic band as well, in addition to two combs on the side as well as one directly in the back of the unit. It is a 5x5 closure. I am going to style it with a middle part as it came, but you can also wear it with a side part as well. I can already tell before applying the unit how easily it's going to blend in on my skin. As I stated, it is a water wave texture, so the curls are very loose and wavy, almost like a beach type of wave. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so let's move on to the styling portion of this video. I already have my HD cap that Yolissa provided on top of my head, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the unit and kind of get it in place. As you can see, the lace easily blends in with my skin. I just want to kind of get it in place so I can start to cut my lace. Okay, so before I melt the unit to my head, I am going to apply some foundation powder to the HD cap as well as the lace of the unit, just to make sure it blends into my skin really well. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so in order to melt my lace, I am using Got To Be products. I am using the spray as well as the gel. Okay, so once I have it melted into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the lace. And how I cut my lace is I start at the very beginning and I just go in and just continue to cut until I have it exactly like I want it. I am going to use the Yolissa wig band in order to further melt the lace down into my skin, and then I'll go into defining my wavy curls. So I'm just going to start by adding some conditioner and water. I'm going to pretty much spray the unit down until it is completely wet, and then I'll go in with some curl mousse. And as I'm doing this, I'm combing through the unit. As you can see, shedding is very, very minimal. It's really to be expected anytime you have this type of hair of this type texture, but I experience very minimal shedding with this hair. So basically this is how the curls look once I co-washed it and added some curling mousse to the unit. For the top of the unit, I'll just go in with a wax stick and then I'll go back in with my hot comb just to make sure it's nice and flat at the top. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I am done installing the unit. This is how it looks. As you can see, very natural. It blends in with my skin very, very well. I am going to go in and add some concealer right at the top of my middle part just to help it blend in a little better to my skin. Just to give you some background, when it comes to installing units, I am an amateur. So if I was able to install this unit and make it look good and natural, then anyone can. And trust me, anyone can. But I'm a very busy woman. I need something that is going to be easy to apply, something that is convenient and works for my very busy schedule. But I am so happy with the finished look. I love the way it turned out, and the best thing about it, it was easy and it was convenient, which is exactly what I need. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so that concludes this video. I want to give a special thanks to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, lifestyle lovers, I hope you're having a great week, a great weekend. Whenever you're watching this, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.